Wash Stop Laundry Center is located at 850 South Valley Forge Road, Lansdale, Pennsylvania. Call 215-362-7700. The Wash Stop Laundry Center is a clean and safe place for all your laundry needs. We offer new large commercial, state-of-the-art washers from 22 to 80-pound capacity and both 30 and 50-pound dryers. Our state-of-the-art ozone system sanitizes the washers and all your clothes and is the only laundry in this area to provide this unique feature on all washes. We offer plenty of large folding tables with space to move around comfortably while you do your own laundry. We have trained technicians on duty to help answer any questions and ensure your complete satisfaction. We also offer exceptional wash-dry-fold services. There is plenty of free parking, large screen TVs, free coffee and Wi-Fi and mobile charging outlets for your convenience as well. At the Wash Stop Laundry Center, we pride ourselves on offering all our customers a hassle-free experience. We are conveniently located near several restaurants, CVS, and several other shops as well. Our mission is to always provide a consistently clean, safe, and comfortable environment for our customers using the best equipment and the friendliest staff. We love to make new friends. Stop by and check us out today or call 215-362-7700 for more information.